How to connect Hisense Aircon to Wi-Fi. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Hisense Aircon to Wi-Fi. So, the first thing you'll need to do is to power on the aircon unit. Make sure the unit is plugged in and turn on using the remote control. Ensure the remote has fresh batteries. And then after that, activate Wi-Fi mode. On the remote, press the mode button until the Wi-Fi symbol appears on the aircon display. And then after that, select your Wi-Fi network. Use the up and down arrows on the remote to scroll through available networks. Highlight your desired network and press OK and enter. And then after that, enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the numeric keypad on the remote to input your password. Press OK to enter to confirm. And then after that, wait for connection. The Wi-Fi symbol will stay lit once the aircon is successfully connected. If it blinks or disappears, retry the steps or move the unit closer to your router. So you can also set the Wi-Fi connected to your aircon through the Hisense application. And that is how you can basically connect Hisense aircon to Wi-Fi.